Hello once again, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the exciting world of spreadsheets, and I'm going to get you started right away in a spreadsheet example that I've created for you. Now I've got this along with many other worksheets down here in this spreadsheet for you to share, and to do that, if you want to make a copy, you can go to File, Make a Copy, and it will put a copy of this in your own Google Drive. So let's get started. First thing, we've got a cell. In cell A1, I've got this cell highlighted. Individual items like this are cells. When you have a bunch of cells stacked on top of each other, you've got what's called a column. And so I've got column B, column C, column D, and so on. Now with the many cells stacked side by side, you've got what's called a row. Okay. Now moving on, some other basics here. Now you can see that I've got text that overflows into this, and if I click on Format and Text Wrapping, I'm going to go in and you can see that I've got this for overflow. I've got this set for overflow. If I go to Clip, you can see that it clips that off. I can still see the contents of the cell when I click on it, and it goes up in what's called the formula bar. Let's go back and change that. I can do text wrapping, but that makes it look really extended and long. It doesn't look good unless you've got several cells merged together, and we'll cover that later. Let's go back and overflow for now. Now in this small tutorial, I've got copy the number down by clicking in the blue square. So if I click on this, here you can see that I've copied that cell down. It says now copy the green numbers down by selecting both cells. If I click and drag over both, I start in this cell and I click and drag down, I select both of these cells. Now it recognizes a pattern here. If I click and drag this down, you can see that it creates a pattern, the rest of the pattern for me. This works going horizontally as it does vertically. And so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So with that said, it also works for letters. 5A, and we're gonna. This also works on different patterns. So if I have AB, it continues that pattern. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It also recognizes that pattern. Aha! But there's a caveat to that. If you hold down the Control key while you do this, it will put it verbatim exactly how you want this. So there's some things that it tries to interpret, and that's one thing you want to be careful with. Now letters and words are aligned left, and numbers are aligned right. The alignment can be changed, and all that can be done up here in the toolbar. I'm going to leave that first part of the tutorial, and then we'll get on to other parts of the tutorial on how to change some of those things. Thanks for tuning in. As always, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell. That way you're notified when new content's pushed out. Have a great rest of the day.